In this video, I'm going to implement the Flutter easy loading. So what is the use of this Flutter easy loading is, go to the README file. Now we can see the output. So we're going to display the screen like this, like loader. Okay, this is output, this is downloading, this is a loading. Okay, here in the home screen or sign up or login screen, when I click on the login, it's connect to server and it will take some time to get the data. So meanwhile, we'll show the loader on the top of the screen, and after getting the response, I'll remove the screen, remove the particular loader. To help out this package, I will implement this into our project. So go to the README file. In the README file, you can see this is installation process and how to use. Okay, how can I use this one? Is very simple. Go to the example. Just to copy the code into the main dot. This one only configure the easy loading. Easy loading instance, display duration, type, indication style, indicator size and radius. So we pass those information. Okay, so if you don't want user interaction, we'll remove the user interaction. That meaning is while running the loader, so stop the user interaction on these actions until the dismiss the loader. So now this package I'll use in the project. Wherever you need to use this project, wherever you call the API, it will take some time. Meanwhile, we'll show this loader. I'll copy this one, go here. This is a previous code, I think, right? Let's commit this code. Paste this. This is a easy loader we added to the our pubs.yaml package. After adding the package, what is the code is there? Okay, so go to the example. Now we can copy this file. Before copy this file, we need to import the this line in the main.dot file. Go to the main.dot and I'm going to import this package now. After this, copy this method. After copy this method, I will call this method in the my app class. Okay. So where is that? So in the my app, in the main.dot, I'll copy this. We don't want user interaction while loading. And this will call in the main.dot, configure the loading. That's it. Now this is only this one. Okay. And come to the after configuration, after this configuration, so where we require the loader page uh, in the home page, in the while getting the cars, while getting the where is that cars list, right? In the cars list, we call the API here. Okay, we call the API, and after get some information, we retrieve the. We need to dismiss the particular loader. Okay, go to the get cars. So here we call the API. Here we call the API. Before that, just call the so easy like this. How to use? Go to the README file. We can get that information. How to call the particular package. So see, easy loading. So easy loading progress, easy loading success. These are the other usage of the package. Now see, easy loading, quick fix import. Okay, this is way of loading the screen, and after finally after retrieve the information, easy loading dismiss also we need to call. Okay, This is a way of using the loader. This is way of dismissing that, showing and dismissing. But in the regular scenarios, okay, so now easy loading. In the future, maybe some other loading, you have to replace that loading with the same method. For this, I'm going to create a utility class. Okay, let me open the utilities. I'm going to create a loader widget. Okay, loader widget dot dot. Why I'm using the this wrapper class is now in this case, okay, now the easy loading is available. In the future, maybe it's not available. You have to replace that loader. So instead of changing all the places, I'm I'm writing the separate loader widget, our own widget. In that, I will wrap the this method. Okay, here I'll call the two things. Sorry. So class loader widget. Okay, loader widget. Here I'm call the static method. Okay, so static method show loading. I will write a show loader. Why I'm using static method? I want to call the method without a creation the object of the class. This is a hide loader. Okay, so these two, what is the method? And here also will pass the message. What kind of message you are passing this? I will create like a optional. Initially I will pass the message is equal to loading initially. If you not pass that, directly it's load the loading. Otherwise, if you want to pass, you get a message from there where you want that message display on the screen. Okay, and here in the cars view model, we call this one, right? I cut this one. I'm not going to use this directly easy loading. I will use our wrapper class to load the loader. I'll paste it easy loading here. How simply I'm using that. Okay, easy loading dot dismiss. That's it. Okay, just we call that this method. Okay, for now we are in the easy loading. In the future, if you want to change, just change here only. No need to change all the places. Okay, let's call the same thing here. Loading widget, our widget, loader widget dot show loading. That's it. Okay, here loader widget dot hide loader. Hope is clear, everyone. Okay, why it's a utility is it's a common thing. That's why this is not a stateful widget. This is not a stateless widget, right? So that's why this is not moved inside the widget. Let me rename. Okay, loader. Okay, loader utility, for example. Okay, so I want to change here. See why I'm using this is not a widget. That's I'm calling the some loader. That's why I put into the loader utilities. So this is a stateful or stateless. I'll move to the widget. Okay, good question. Ah, so this is way of writing the wrapper class of loader widget. On the top, we are using the directly this package in this class only. We are using this loader widget. This is our wrapper class. We are using this loader widget. We call the method to show the loader. This is hide the loader. Okay, let's write wide static method. Okay, in the future, if you want to replace the easy loading, just replace these lines. That's it. But remaining is same. So that is the use of the wrapper class. In the car view model, directly we call the car loader dot show loader. Now let's run the project. So already the data is loaded, right? Let's remove the widget application on the screen and run the application again. So in this, when I click on the login, okay, so we have some issue here. Let me check this. You should call the easy loading init. Oh, in our material app. Sorry. So we after configure, we didn't call this method. That's why it's a getting issue. Let's check the README file again, where they are using the IaaS in the builder. Oh, okay. So in the builder, I missed this line in the main dot dot. That's why this is an issue. Okay, go to the main dot. Main dot has where is the builder. I think we have a builder method. Yes, here we load the EG loading init. Okay, we have to initialize the loading init here. Let's run the program. We fixed that issue also. Okay, again there is issue with no directional widget found. There is a widget required, a directional widget. Start and layout text. One second, same issue is coming. Well, let me fix that issue. The good to have this issue. So I fixed the issue. I configured the builder EG init after the route configuration. That is the issue. I got that. Now I fixed that issue. If you open the screen, and again, in the view model, we call the loader before the API call. After getting the response, here we get the response in that, right? Then we hide the loader. Okay. Even cache also. So if he's not getting the response, it's entering the cache block also. That's why I remove that loader in the cache block also if is available. Okay. Let's go to the simulator and click on the login. We call the API, right? That API, the response we can check the how we'll check in the Chrome in the network tab. In the debug, the Flutter dev tool debugger and profile give the some URL. That URL you can see this URL. The debugger is available. This URL we can copy and we can paste onto the screen. It display the like this. Now we can observe here. So here you can observe the inspector. Now we can see what is the screen is display. That that is a widget tree here. This is inspector. Now now we are going to check the network tab and provider also there. Okay, we can see the how many providers are using. So till now we are using only one provider, cars wave model. Scars is empty data now. Okay, so go to the network tab. Go to the network tab. When I click on the login, API call, right? Now we can see API call and loader also display. In the API response, we can verify in the below in the response. Okay, the cars has this data. How will check the web app with inspector? So help of the Flutter dev tool, we can verify the all the information and go to the provider. Inside the provider also 9 elements is there cars. Now see this information. Okay, so the car has the car's view model has a car object array. That array is contain this data. So here we can easily identify the provider information and network information. So it help of the this URL. After run the application, you will get like this. The Flutter dev tool debugger and profile on. I'm running on this simulator, right? Is available this link. This link, copy this link, go to the Chrome and paste that link and click on the link. It will open this page. We can check the CPU profile and memory, how much memory and the debugger. We can debug from here also. We can debug from here also. And here what is logger, all the logger information. This is a dev tool. So now in this example, in this video, I implement the loader using the EasyLoader. See, loader, this is a loader. After getting the response, the loader is removed from the screen. Yeah. Again, I repeat the total what I did. I added the Flutter EasyLoader. So instead of using the everywhere in the EasyLoader, I create a separate wrapper class for the EasyLoader. For now, I'm using the EasyLoader. In the future, if you want to change the EasyLoader to other loader, we can change the only this place. That's why I created a separate wrapper class on that. So this is a static method directly without creating the object for the loader widget. I directly it's created the static widget. So here the loader I called from the wherever you want. So here I want to show the loader dot show loader. Here this method is show the loader. After getting the response, hide the loader. That loader is displayed here like this wherever you want. Now wherever you want, like in the login page also, when I click on the login, If you want to show the loader until get the response from the API, we can show the loader directly. We can call like this. After getting the response, we can remove directly here. Okay, this is about the EasyLoader and the usage of the EasyLoader.